I will show you how to separate any person from the background and blur that background. Select from the menu bar, then click on the subject. As you can see, couples have been selected. Next, click layers from the menu bar. Go to new. Click on a layer via copy. As you can see, the couples are separate from the background. Click on the layer below. Click on the lasso tool from the toolbar. Select the couples in the picture. Click Edit from the menu bar. Then click on Content Aware field. Wait here for a while. Next, click on the current layer from Output to. Click on the OK button. Couples have been removed from the background. Then click Select from the menu bar. Click on Deselect. Then go to the toolbar. Click on the Paste tool. Next, remove the unwanted parts with the Paste tool. Click on layer 0. That's mean clicking on the layer below. Then click on the filter from the menu bar. Go to blur. Click on Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 10 pixels. Click on the preview to see the difference before and after. Click on the OK button. The work is done. Thanks for watching the video.